What?
If you want to, like right now, before you pull that through, if you want to grab that needle and kind of waller ride it, it makes a difference.
Listen to the old man. He speaks like thousands of seashells. Forever he's help us in those chaos of chords and bittersweet lyrics, singing eternally. Is there a place I could hang around? Is there a chance for my woman to be found? I see no light shining down on me. I sing my song, lonesome and eternally. Listen to the old man. He speaks like thousands of seashells. Forever he.
All right, well, we ran into some full storage space problems. So he kind of went down the whole way stitching it. He's at the end now. And he's going to get to the very end, get them good and tight, and then he's going to back stitch 3 spots just like he did at the beginning, leaving his excess thread on the back side of the sheath to cut and burn. Good guess on the thread length there, Mr. Gibbs.
It was fantastic.
He speaks like thousands of seashells. Forever he's help us in those chaos of chords.
And make a man of you. Good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, she's tight. We're not gonna worry too much about her backing out.
Is that the third one?
1, 2, and 1 more.
Alright, so what he's going to do now is on the one on the pretty side, he's just going to push it through to the back side, and then we'll cut and burn on the pretty side. Push the other one through.
Hey, you wanna cut and burn on the pretty side?
On the back side, that's what I'm saying. You're on the back side.
Oh, I am on the back side. I'm sorry.
Beautiful, Mr. Ben.
Got it.
I think he scared the camera. Alright, now he's going to do like we did earlier with the belt loop. Cut it a 1/4 inch or so, burn it, let it melt, and then, alright. What's my favorite? Number 7.
Open them. Bubba keeps this guy right here so sharp. 1/4 inch.
You don't want them to catch fire, you just want to get them burning down and melting and tuck them down into the seams. Alright, tuck them. Use your finger. Use your finger.
Use my finger.
Use your finger. Don't be a boy. Be a man.
I want to tuck it good.
Alright. Don't cook the sheath when you're doing it, folks. That's fine, Ben. Just cook it. Just push it down. You get too close to that ladder, folks, you'll burn it. Now we're going to take that stitch roller right there. We're going to work all the stitches down.
Should we beeswax it?
We'll do that later. We're going to treat it when we're all said and done with a little bit of beeswax. Some mink oil probably too. We might just do the mink oil. Treat the stitches with some beeswax. Rub the sheath down with some mink oil. Make sure this knife's ready to handle swamps and stuff. Beautiful, Mr. Penn. Alright, once he does the other side, the next thing we're going to do is edge coat the whole entire edge and then burnish that bad boy, get it pretty. And what that does, what he's doing right now, that just lays the stitching down flatter. Makes it a little more aesthetic, more pretty. I like it. Alright. Now when I do edge coat, especially on something that thick, we're going to use the daubers. You want to show them the front there, Ben? Show them how pretty you did. Beautiful. Oh, we're also going to put a Chicago screw right here in just a little bit. Punch that hole and put that in too.
And the daubers.
You put them over there. Now I'm going to stop this video for the sake of time and the fact that I'm out of memory. But y'all understand what we're doing. We're going to take the daubers, get some edge coat, rub it on there, make it nice and pretty. And we're just going to put the edge coat on this part right here is what I'm talking about. Make it nice and black. Bottom right. And that's what we use. Is Feebin's edge coat. Works great. So I'm going to pause it and let you hang out for a second. Hold on. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to rub a little bit of beeswax onto where we edge coated, just down the side. And we're going to use that slicker, buffer, whatever you want to call it, burnish that thing up. And this is how you do it. That'll give it that pretty edge that everybody likes to see on the side. You ain't got to cake the beeswax on real tight, just enough to get some on there. And go to town with that bad boy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we went ahead and popped the hole for the Chicago screw. You can show them that, Ben. And we're going to put the Chicago screw in it. And I like to put red Loctite on the threaded part that goes into the Chicago screw. That way it don't back out. I don't know. I think it works great. And I used, in case you're curious, hollow leather punch set to punch holes. The big ones. And you just stick the Chicago screw in and tighten it up. And because we're low on storage, you didn't get to see him finish slicking everything. But all he did was rub it back and forth until it was nice and pretty. You can show them that if you want to. Boom, nice and pretty edge. That's all that was. All right. That screwdriver working on a different one.
Yeah.
It's really the backing on this right here. It's not completely formed.
It might be a boogered up machine issue.
Yeah, it's trash.
Get a different.
We're not using that one.
Might have to get a different one. Sometimes they machine these things wrong. Bags to your right. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can focus in on that. Look at that. There's not even a groove there. That's junk from the factory.
Check that. All right.
That's how a Chicago screw works. You just tighten it up and it's good to go. Sometimes you run into a problem of the leather on the inside trying to get in your way, but just keep making it go. Boom. Looks beautiful. I like it. I like it too much. All right, show us, man. Show us. Let us see it. Let us see it. I like it. I like it. Boom. Beautiful. All right.
That is gorgeous.
Oh, and not worry about that dark spot on the K. We just touched up the die a little bit. Leave us alone. All right. That's pretty much a complete sheath, folks. You got any questions, comments, leave them below. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, and there's your baby kit, Bissell. We're going to ship that out to you soon. Yes, sir. Thank you all very much. All right, now, take care.